get some dinner. Look at these two cuties. They're so cute. We are in Little Italy. Hi. So we're getting some Korean barbecue and some hot pot. Yum. Ooh, it smells so good. Good morning, besties. So I suck at this vlogging because I didn't even tell you guys that I'm here now in New York, and I'm staying with my friend Alma, and Ashley is here with me as well. So I just got done doing really light makeup, like nothing too crazy, and I'm about to do my hair today. So yes, I'm gonna insert, I don't know if it's gonna be the first clip from yesterday because we got here yesterday, and I don't even, okay, yeah, so I think I'm gonna do yesterday's little montage and then this one right here, like insert the clip. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging today. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys somewhere here. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna try to do my hair, maybe just, I don't know what I'm trying to achieve it today, but I'm gonna try to do maybe like put my hair down or something. Definitely gonna do something with this freaking curtain bands. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and then change my outfit, and I'm gonna try to vlog in my vlogging camera because I vlogged yesterday with my iPhone. So I'm gonna give you guys some quality content while I'm here in New York, and I think I'm gonna vlog today and then also tomorrow, which is Saturday. So today's Friday. Happy Friday, besties. I feel like you're gonna see this 1 week or 2 weeks later because I suck at editing. So yes, just enjoy the rest of the day, and I'm gonna do my hair real quick, and yes, I'll catch up with you besties later. Hi guys, we are all ready. Are you ready? Almost. Okay, we're in New York per usual. We're taking over New York again, and
what's new?
The outfit check. Well, I think it's gonna be better.
I'll give you some underboob.
Yeah. I gotta make sure that this is YouTube, okay? This is YouTube.
Oh, yeah, this
okay?
is YouTube.
This is a different role. Outfits. Okay.
Oh.
Well, we're gonna insert our freaking photo later, and follow her on Instagram and everything, all that good stuff. Okay, and we're gonna go get some coffee or like lunch. Yes. Coffee and lunch.
We need food and coffee ASAP.
Yes, and then yeah, so yeah, we're staying at a beautiful apartment. Thank you, Alma, for our Airbnb host. Yeah. For this weekend.
5-star rating.
5-star. I'm gonna put that on Yelp. But yeah, she is the best. But anyways, see you guys later. Bum photos for Ashley. Cute. Do you guys see the Brooklyn Bridge? Right there. We're walking to Dumbo, to this like vintage store. Getting some coffee. Oh my god, you guys. Look at the store. So cute. I got some coffee. And look at this view. We're at the Arabica coffee shop. It's so nice in here, guys. So we're at this little cute coffee shop. What's the verdict?
Actually, it is very good. A lot of fragrant notes. It's actually
not the whole review. Not the whole coffee review. She's enjoying. Where's your? Oh, she's
I
finished
drank it in 2 seconds.
Yep. Cheers. Ice. And yeah, we're just enjoying our view right now, catching up. And then we're gonna head to thrift store and vintage store later. And I'll show you guys my outfit later. And these necklaces are from Luisa. Are they cute? They're so cute. Very, very cute. Like I have no words to say, but they're cute.
Stunning, adorable, fantastic, unique.
No, keep going, because I'm like
Luxurious, classic, feminine, silhouetted, gorgeous, glistening. Can someone pull up the Stegosaurus?
But anyway, yeah, that's my friend just described everything with this necklace. But yeah, it's so gorgeous. Like,
I actually really love this.
it's very simple yet classy.
I need to spray tan so bad.
I'm like the darkest.
It's giving ghost.
It's a diversity for me.
It's giving Danny Phantom. It's a diversity. I actually like, this is fully white over here. When you add someone to the group for the Latina race card and then they turn white.
It's giving whitewash.
It's giving whitewash.
It's not for me to say you.
We're here at timeout, right? Okay. Okay, you guys are in timeout. Oh Lord, all these tote bags.
What did I even do?
Like I deserve more tote bags. We're going to the rooftop. We're gonna get something to eat.
And in there's like a 5 million different places to eat.
Oh, I'm looking at the
Like every type of food.
Sugar Hill Creamery, Ivy Stark.
No, that photo I showed you, Glenn, I took that photo.
Oh. Okay. You guys, can you see this view? Oh my God. We have a view from the Brooklyn Bridge right there. Oh, okay. So do you want the good angle? Hold on. Oh my God. Look at that view. It is so pretty. It's so pretty.
It's not for me to say you love.
I got the half roasted chicken. It looks so freaking bomb. And Ashley, do you know what to get?
Yes.
Oh, oh, it's not the camera ready.
I'm getting that slow roasted pork korma wrap.
Oh, this one right here?
So good.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no, not wait, yeah.
This one right here? Okay. No, that's lamb. This is the pork right here.
My hair up.
Waiting on our food.
I have so much fucking hair, like.
So, gonna hold the occasion of this New York vlog.
Look at this Missouri. You don't want to do it. Oh, that's so cute. I chose the earrings.
This one too.
Oh.
Yeah. This is
Missouri partner. Missouri partner.
Hashtag. Yeah. This is from Missouri right here. This like bracelet.
What is it? Hashtag Fine Crew.
Oh yeah, the Fine Crew. Yes.
Hashtag sponsor. Hashtag ad. Oh my God.
Hashtag everything. So yeah, we're waiting on our food because we're hungry. This is so good. It looks so freaking good. Cucumber mint lemonade. Wow. You guys want my chicken? Can I have some of my chicken? Yeah. I want you guys to try it. We're getting some breakfast. I'm getting New York breakfast, same as Alma, and Ashley is just waking up. Getting coffee. We have House of Sunnies. Look at all the House of Sunnies. Hi guys. You look good in here. You are these. Yeah.
Oh my god, you'll rock that. Oh wow.
This is so cute. This top matches my trouser. Ah, so cute. I'm definitely getting these. I got some Levi's jeans here and one more top. And you guys, look what the thrift got. Bless me. Some Prada kitten heels. So cute. And also got these. Ah, cute. Okay, the second top. Oh, it matches my trousers too. So cute. Okay. I'm just wearing a bralette today, but it's so cute. Look at these details. Oof. I'm getting these. By the way, this is my outfit. Thrifted Ashley's leather coat and shoes, Prada, but this is Emma's shoes. I'm getting all of these 3 shoes and then just two tops, but these jeans don't fit my thighs. I'm so sad because they're like Levi's, and yeah, they don't fit me like my thighs. My thighs are way too thick for these jeans, but this is cute. And there's like black trousers and there's like Levi's jeans. Oh, it just won't fit my thighs. So but yeah, I love my outfit for today. Got the goods.
Okay, no problem.
We got a lot of good stuff. She got a lot of good stuff. I got 3 pairs of shoes that I probably don't need or want, but I need it. I cannot say no. I cannot say no to the shoes, okay? Especially the Prada ones, and it's my size. Are you kidding me? Like, heaven
For that
sent.
price, it's unheard of.
Yes, I know. So yeah, I'll show you guys the haul. I don't even know when, but yeah, I'll show it to you like later.